37 to put
Yeah.
a big friggin' lick on that 43 driver's side door.
Yeah.
That should have been flagged.
Yeah, that should have been flagged.
I don't think the majority of these cars are back out. Ready?
Yep. Hey, which way do we go out? We gotta go a long way?
Go in between these cars right there. Just sit there and let the cars warm up, right? Go ahead and go. No, I'll just wait.
them out there?
What?
Did you see them out there? Though?
Yeah. You're fine. None of these cars aren't as good as anybody
We'll
else.
see. I got kind of. I mean, I.
What size is this having it? 318, 360,
318.
318? How many miles did it have on it?
Like 296 or something like that.
They won't see. So I can tell the motor will be fine.
Yeah. Got a nice oil change in it too. So.
What kind of oil did you use?
The power punch stuff. That really thick.
Whole jug?
Yeah. Oh, not the whole half. Just use half of that. Oh.
Oh, shit.
You know who's in all these cars? Jeremy Ward.
Can you let me know when they're ready for us?
Follow him out.
Huh?
Follow him out.
Follow him out?
Follow
Wait
the
for him
Rainbow
to go.
Tribe car.
That's not a truck car. That's a white car.
Rainbow Tribe.
Who's behind me?
That number 4 car.
Okay.
That green car. Army green car.
Oh, okay.
Welded heats. I think the welded heats can be badass.
Probably will be.
Just remember, tighten up your belts.
Which ones? These?
Yeah. Tighten them up.
Yeah, because I'm probably not going to worry about going in reverse.
I say just tighten them up all the way. You don't even remember reverse. You don't even remember. As soon as you make a hard hit, forget about it.
Thanks.
Remember, drive through the car. Don't hit the car. Drive through.
Let's kick some ass, dude.
Oh.
Are you scared?
Yeah,
A little nervous?
a little bit.
Just drive it like you sold it.
Keep it moving, just keep it moving,
Yeah.
just keep it moving. Stay out of your corners.
Yeah.
Watch for this.
Yeah.
All right, go.
Are you ready?
Yep.
good? Are you alright?
Dude, my.
Nice job, bud.
Fuck yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, damn.
You got you got a little bit of.
What is it, throttle stuck? Yeah. Oh, just a little bit. Hey. Hey, won. I won the heat. Huh?
You won.
I won the heat. You won it, buddy. Hey, what'd you do to your nose?
Hey, way to fucking drive out there, man.
Thanks.
First place winner, number 64. Second place goes to Kyle Reed. So, number 4.
Rick, I got it.
And the third place winner is Jeremy Ward. Once again, the sponsors for those first place is Pacific Inn Motel, second place was White House, and third place Mesa Racing.
Brett, go get me a crescent wrench. Brett.
Perfect, it went up.
Brett, a crescent wrench. Your linkage is messed up a little bit. I gotta loosen it. You won.
You gotta do.
You won.
I know.
Brett, you're awesome. Dude, he freaking, look at the steering wheel.
You did that?
Yeah.
Tried to shift it.
Is it bad?